Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. This is our fourth video in our I-94 series, and today we begin at mile 152 in Avon, Minnesota, heading west. We're finally getting out of the rain and there are clearer skies ahead. We enter Albany Township, which has a population of 980 as of the 2010 census and completely surrounds the city of Albany. Albany Township was organized in 1868, lies at an elevation of 1,191 feet above sea level, and has a population density of 27 people per square mile or 10 metric people per square kilometer. We reach the city of Albany, which has an estimated population of 2,695 as of 2017. The city was incorporated in 1890 and, along with its surrounding township, is named for the capital city of New York. As we leave the city of Albany, a former Burlington Northern rail line passes overhead. This is now the Lake Wobegon Rail Trail, a 62-mile recreational trail that mostly parallels I-94. The annual Lake Wobegon Trail Marathon takes place on part of the trail every spring. We enter the city of Freeport, Minnesota, which had an estimated population of 666 people as of 2017. A post office called Freeport has been in operation since 1881 and was incorporated in 1892. The city was named after Freeport, Illinois, and contains two properties listed on the National Register of Historic Places, the 1905 Church of the Sacred Heart and remnants of the 1898 Swanee White Flour Mills. Exit 127 leads to the city of New Munich via State Highway 237 to the south. New Munich has an estimated population of 321 as of 2017 and was named after Munich, Germany, the native home of an early settler. We enter the city of Melrose, which had an estimated population of 3,636 as of 2018. Melrose was once the home of Charles Lindbergh, the first man to fly nonstop across the Atlantic Ocean. Some of Lindbergh's childhood toys are in a museum here, and his grandparents are buried in a local cemetery. Golden Globe-winning actress Callista Flockhart also lived in Melrose during her childhood. The name Melrose is an amalgamation of Melissa and Rose, the name of two local pioneer women. We conclude today's video at mile 128 in Sauk Centre Township. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, follow us on social media, and join us for our next 612 road trip.